Hi friends, welcome to this Lean Factory. My name is Anant and I am your Lean Manufacturing Coach. Today in this particular video, I am going to talk about 10 important benefits of implementing 5S in your organization. And we all know that 5S talks about creating a safe and a healthy and a clean environment for employees. But what are the top 10 benefits of 5S? This is what we are going to learn today. Come, let us start the video. So the first benefit of 5S is creating a clean and a pleasant work environment. 5S creates an organized and a clean environment. Employees would love to work in a clean and safe, organized work environment. So that is the number one benefit of 5S. The second benefit of 5S is creating self-discipline. Now 5S creates self-discipline among the employees. All the improvements, all the initiatives are done by the employees. 5S activities creates a level of discipline among the employees. Even if somebody else is putting some dust or they are not maintaining their area properly, the other employees would start talking to them and making them improve their workplace. So this creates a level of self-discipline. Third one is identification and elimination of wastes. We all know that 5S is a tool under lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing always talks about identification and elimination of wastes. How can 5S help in identifying and elimination of waste? When people start doing 5S, a lot of waste would come to surface, like scraps, unwanted materials. Second, people also can easily identify overproduction, excess production, because it becomes the WIP. So when a lot of WIP materials are stored in my place, what shall I do with that? So this overproduction waste also will come out. So when the employees identify these waste, they can easily take action and reduce some of these waste. So the third benefit is identification and elimination of waste. And fourth one is 5S helps in creating more space. When you remove a lot of unwanted items, when the things are arranged properly in the places, the workplaces, it creates a lot of space. From our experience, most of the companies, they get about 10% of their floor space in excess. They create more, about 10% more. If your shop floor is, let us say, 2000 square feet, if you do 5S, you will get another 150 to 200 square feet extra. By removing some of the unwanted items, you will realize another 200 square feet, which was earlier occupied by some non-moving items or unwanted items. So that's how 5S helps in creating more space. That is the fourth one. And the fifth one is identifying abnormalities. When I say abnormalities, anything which is not normal is abnormal. Yes, in a mission, let us say, if I start doing 5S, people will be cleaning their machines every day and easily they can spot the wear and tear, the noise, the vibration of the machine, oil leakages, air leakages. All those abnormalities will come to surface and immediately people can take action. If there is an oil leak, they can immediately fix it. If there is a noise, vibration, everything can be fixed immediately. So 5S helps in identifying the abnormalities. The sixth point is 5S helps in identifying the issues related to the flow of the product. Lean, we always talk about the continuous flow production, and 5S helps in identifying the issues. Why somebody has to move from their workplace and get a material? Why that material is not here in the workplace? What are the instances where the flow of the products are getting disturbed? All those things can be easily identified by using 5S. So 5S helps in identifying this shortage of parts, people walking here and there for searching for tools or issues which hamper the flow of the product. The seventh point is improvement in safety. 5S helps in creating a safe environment for employees. It helps in reducing the accidents because everything is clearly standardized and displayed properly, so people don't have to think too much on how to do a particular work. It's all standardized and it can be trained easily for anybody. It eliminates slippery workplaces, oil leakages, so the chances of accidents come down. So 5S helps in improving the safety also. 5S helps in improving the machine uptime because we are identifying the abnormalities and fixing it immediately. The machine's uptime increases, so overall breakdown reduces. This one also we have seen practically in many companies. When we start doing this autonomous maintenance by involving the operators, they are fixing the machines, all those leaks, air leaks, bearings, wear and tear components, everything. The moment we do we take care of the machines properly, the uptime increases, the breakdown reduces. In some companies, we have seen from uptime of about 85-90% to more than 95-96%. So this is the impact of fibers. And the ninth point is improving the quality. How can fibers help in improving the quality? By creating the workplace more visible, right? With all the standardized SOPs, standard operating procedure. People can follow the standard operating procedure in a more easy way, so that the chances of producing defective components are reduced. People cannot create defective components because everything they want to know for manufacturing the product is there as a standard operating procedure. So defects will start reducing, and we can see improvement in quality also. And finally, fibers helps in improving the employee morale and also the involvement of employee in the company. We all know that clean and a safe environment helps in improving the morale. Yeah. So fibers helps to create this positive culture and attitude among the minds of the people, and it starts changing the culture of the company, because everybody will have that ownership, and they start thinking that it is my mission, my area, or this is my area, so I am the person responsible for this area. So that ownership will start to come, and this will result in a lot of culture change in the organization. So these are all the top 10 benefits of fibers. So I request you to follow fibers. Don't just take it as just a cleaning activity. Fibers is not only cleaning activity. It's a step-by-step process to improve all these 5 areas, 5 steps, and that will have all these 10 important benefits. If you want to implement fibers in your factory, please feel free to contact us. We help a lot of companies in implementing fibers and other lean tools also. If you like this particular video, please give a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to our channel. We post a lot of videos related to lean and operational excellence in this channel. Please share it with your friends and colleagues who want to learn more about lean manufacturing and operational excellence. I will talk to you in the next video. Thank you very much. See you.